Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a double cross single rainbow loom. All you need is your pegboard, two colours. I'm doing red and black, and your little, I don't know what you call this, hook. And I use S-clips. I know somebody uses C-clips, I'm not really sure, but I've got S-clips, so I'll be using them today. What you want to do is get your board. You want to make, this is going to be hard because I'm using my phone. You want to make an 8 from here. So, I'm trying to see how I can hold it and show you at the same time. So what you do, you hold it in your fingers, you go over like that, and then you want to put on diagonally like that, you can see there, and then get your other colour, mine's red, since you don't have to do the same colour, do it again, make 8, put on the opposite side. You'll find it easier because you won't be holding a phone in your hand. Then push it down, and then what you want to do is you want to get another one. These ones you just do normal, just put on like that, so it just goes over. Then my red over to the other side. And then what you want to do is, you want to get the bottom one, mine's red, and just hook it off and onto there. And then you want to get the other one, and you do it for the whole 4, just like that. And then push it down, and that's what it starts looking like. Then you get the colours again, and you're just going to keep doing the same thing over and over again. Sorry, it's a bit fiddly. This is an easy one to do. Then, again, get the bottom one, hook it off there, onto there, get the other one, mine's red, hook it off, it off. There we are. Now I keep doing that until it gets bigger. And when it starts getting bigger, you see on the other side it gets bigger, and you can start pulling it down. I'll get my red again. Some of these aren't red, they're a bit mixed, so I have to sort them out. Yeah, that's red. So over where the black is, and onto there, and the other black, the other one, just going to push it down so it doesn't flick off. Then you get the red, whatever colour you're doing, just use the bottom one. Just like that. Bottom one again. And off we go. There we are. Push it down. just like that. That's what it should look like. You can see it's not coming through. So what I'm going to do now is 2 bottom ones. You can use your hook. You can get the hook in. And just pull it up a bit. As you can see, it's starting to form now. Again. And you want to just keep doing this until it's long enough for you, or however you're making it for. So I'll just keep doing that. And if you can't get to the bottom one, just move it up with your hook, just like that. So you probably didn't see that there. You just move it up, up and over, up and over, up and over, off and over. Just like that. Push it down again. Turn your one over, or your board over, I mean. Top one, as you can see, it's looking much better now. So I'm going to show you a couple more times, and then I'm going to stop it and make another video after I've got it so far up, and then I'll show you how to take it off. So sorry if I'm speaking low on the camera, I'm not very good on cameras, but as you can see, you just do the same thing again and again, like that. Just keep doing it. You can do different colours, you can do the same colour, and put it up. Right, I want to show you with these 3 more blacks, 3 more reds, and then I'll stop the video. So okay, so there's my colours. Black over the red, like that. Red over the black. Black over, over, over and off, over and off, and just push it down. Pull a little bit. And again, over the red, oops, or over whatever colour you're choosing. Then going to go off there. Let's have a look at the bottom. Oh, something's a bit dodgy there. Shouldn't be on there. Okay, I don't know why that's happened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that red off. Sorry, that red off. Hook that back onto that red. So mine's black at the bottom. Get that off. Hook that off. As you can see, it's very easy, this one. The most challenging bit would be when you have to take it off at the end, but we can do it. Oh, wait, I have missed one. Oops. So and off. There we go. It's alright. One more time. Oops. Black. Red. That off. That bit off. That bit off. And that one off. And move it down. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to do so far up and show you a bit more and then show you how to take it off. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.